Hi, April.
Hi guys. It's me chilling with my parrot.
Paulie.
We're still training him. We still need to.
And he doesn't have much confidence in us.
No, he does have confidence. He does.
No,
He
just
does.
not
He
much
does.
when
He
we
does
touch
trust
it.
us a little bit.
I zoomed up so much into him. It's really dark.
You know
Really
it's dark.
dark too. I mean,
Patita. Patita.
we speak Spanish too.
Patita. Patita.
She means, give me the foot. Give me the foot.
Patita.
Give me the foot. That's what she means when she says.
I'm
"Patita."
sorry.
What did you do?
I accidentally squashed his foot.
What are you doing? Oh, the poor little baby.
He climbed up on my shoulder.
Really? She that baby.
Ta-da!
Hold on, let me zoom out. Okay. Hi, Paulie.
Don't zoom in too much. Look,
What?
show them that I could give patita. Give me the
She
patita.
means give me the foot.
Ta-da.
See?
He's still in training. We still need to learn. We still need to teach him.
He's a cockatiel in training.
Yeah.
It's really dark.
He knows how to do certain stuff.
Certain stuff like bites. That's something simple. Okay. Hold on. Move. Now there's lights. It's too dark in here.
And he's looking at the door. Patita. Don't zoom in too much of him.
Oh, he's always going poofy. That's so cute. And he's always going fluffy. Wait. How do you get them on the finger?
You gotta press their abdomen gently, or just gently push your finger under their feet. And you're not puffy, and I think
Stop
it's gonna.
going poofy. Did he poop? Did he poop? No,
No.
he didn't poop. He never pooped on you.
Look, he's looking at the doorway.
Oh yeah, we have a cat and dog, his enemies.
But at least the cat is away.
No, the cat's like eating or taking his daily naps. Oh yeah,
Sit on the couch.
if I say happy 2016.
Happy 2016.
You too, Paulie.
Feel. Say feel.
Say feel.
Say feel.
Say feel.
Feel.
Feel. Feel. Hold on. This will be funny. Feel.
He's so cute.
Anyways, bye guys.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye, Paulie. Say bye. Okay, he does not speak yet. Okay, say bye.
He only does this.
Yeah, he only does that or does this. If you like do something he doesn't like.